Welcome back to the Average Mike Show, or what broke at the house this week, whichever way you want to say it. Yes, I'm in the bathroom again. Well, no, it wasn't anything I did this time. See, my son, for some reason, thought it'd be a good idea to jump up and down inside the bathtub. And so now I gotta rip out this whole tub and replace it because, yeah, there's no way I'm gonna be able to patch that being that close to the drain. It just ain't gonna work. So I guess I'm probably gonna have to pull out the drain and set up first. See here, I should twist out, but with these mobile homes, I'm not entirely sure, but yeah, let's try that first. Yeah, as my old Marine friend likes to say, wind battles. You got it? Okay. With my old fireman's hammer from the time I was a water boy in the oil field, gonna turn this loose. Oh, problem is I got nothing to hold down to the part underneath here. You're gonna have to go somewhere. You're gonna be doing that.
Recording.
Yeah, that was all kinds of fight, but Average Mike won this round. Okay, now I just got to finish taking out the rest of this caulking, and the tub should slide out. We're gonna find out the hard way though, if it doesn't. Yeah, it turns out that, man, I really didn't want to take this wall out right now. But as you can see, it's actually up underneath the lip of this wall here. There's a lip of the tub that kind of sticks up underneath there. So I'm gonna have to take a section of the wall out too. Dang it. Yeah, I got the tub most of the way out, and I only had to pull back the wall a little bit. Yeah, unfortunately, I kind of broke the plastic wall down here. But other than that, I pretty much got the tub out, and it's almost time to go to the Home Depot to go buy the other tub. Yeah. Got the new tub. Just got back from Home Depot. Starting to snow out here. Man, it's Colorado springtime weather. It's crazy out here. But yeah, I gotta start getting this thing together. Hopefully get it done before my wife gets home. All right, well there it is outside the box and inside the house. The new tub. I still got to cut up that pipe there and glue it together right so it matches this, because as I was expecting, I couldn't find a center drain tub at Home Depot. But here's something the other tub didn't have. Yeah, the tub drain setup. So if somebody tries to overfill the tub, it goes down this drain instead. Yeah, let me quit yakking and start building this thing. Yeah, this would be a lot better if I had somebody to hold the phone for me while I'm doing all this, but yeah, let's see how well this puts together. Yeah, this goes behind the tub like this. I don't know, I guess you can kind of see that. And the drain plug screws into there. And this is the top drain. Yeah, to keep my son from over flooding the tub. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut this down some because this is in place. Everything looks good back here, so yeah, that's already ready to glue together. Now all that's left is to get this part in here. But as you can see, that pipe's too long, so you have to cut that pipe down some to make that fit together. And tub's just about ready to put in. And as soon as I finish the plumbing on the other end. Yeah, all that's more or less together the way it should be. Everything fits. Now I just got to glue all these pieces together, but I'm still not sure I'm going to keep this like this. Yeah, kind of thinking maybe fit something like this in here. And maybe trim this down so this will be in here. So I can run this out to the drain. No, I don't think that's going to work. I still got some figuring to do. Alright, all this is put together now. Well, kinda. I still got to glue everything together, and I'm going to use this pipe to connect with those over coming out the wall there. Yeah, so that's my new drain setup. What a mess. But yeah, I just take it all apart, glue it back together, and probably just have it all sticking up out of the floor, ready to push the tub into place, and then screw this back together and put this together. After the tub's been sliding into place, I guess that's about the best I'm going to be able to do with this. But the only thing left is make sure this tub's going to fit into that wall properly. Well, there it is, almost complete. I just got to patch up the walls because, man, that was a lot more mess than I thought it was going to be. Yeah, before I forget, check out my cooking channel, Gargoyle Grubs. Yeah, if you need a recipe for tonight, for dinner, go ahead and check that out. Oh yeah, still need to put that back on. No big deal. Alright, yeah, tub's done. Other than the wall repair. Alright, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Well, there's also that smiley face with some busted teeth. Kind of looks like this. Click on that. That works like a subscribe button. And like the video. Mash on that thumbs up for me. Appreciate that. And you got any comments, anything you want to see some future videos, you go ahead and leave that in the comments. Till next time, thanks for rolling with Average Mike.